Brandon just found the big one of the day. Check this dude out. What a monster. Dang, let me see, Brandon. That is a chunky. Well done, sir. Today I got my buddy Brandon with me. He's a newbie. We're hunting morels. It's gonna be an awesome day. Let's go. Check out the forest we're in. Mostly ponderosa, some lodgepole, pretty spread out. We're about 2,500 feet and we're in the shrooms. So far we're doing okay. I got Brandon out here. He's finding a few mushrooms. It's not like it was last week yet, but we're still optimistic. But I see, check out that one right over there. Look at that big dude. Let's see what we got here. Look at this nice freshy blonde right here. Not bad, still good. Not buggy or wormy. Only ran into a little bit of an obstacle here. This is why you carry a tree saw or a chainsaw. Brandon's working away. Brandon says he's got something. It's about time. What do you got, Brandon?
Nice morel.
Nice. Nice. Well done. I'm looking around to see if there's any more. It's not a bad one.
Yeah.
So far it's been a pretty awesome day. Brandon is doing great. For a first timer, he took to it. He's finding morels. I think he's found more than me actually, but I'll never admit that. But we're having an awesome day. It's not been great, but it's been a pretty good day. But you know, we're in this open area. It's pretty dry. We're still at like 2,500 feet. I was going dry for a little while, but look, I found another big one. Look at this dude. Can you see it over there? Look at the size of that chunky morel. Look at this dude. What a chubby. Not bad. Overall, have an awesome time. I'm glad I got Brandon out here. I've known Brandon since he was born. He's a good friend of the family, and what an awesome kid. So I'm having a good time. He's really taken to it. And I'm having a good time showing him the ropes. So thanks for coming out, Brandon. So Brandon says he found the honey hole. Let's go see what he's got. Hey, did you make it over here?
No.
I see two. One, I see, look, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. Hang on, I want to see your honey hole. There's a 6th one right there. Yeah, there's a 6th one right here. Here we finally got to a spot that hasn't been hunted. Look, there's one here, another one there. I see that one.
One here, one right back there. One here, one there, one there.
See those 3 over there?
Yeah.
Dude, you finally found it. Well done, sir. There's one right behind you too.
I know, yeah. This one?
Nope,
This one?
that one.
Yeah.
Dang, dude. I got one here too.
Yeah, you gotta
Well done.
bag and go, baby.
These are all yours.
No.
Good job. Well, I got to go back and get those 5 or 6 that I saw.
Yeah, by all means.
If there's any question before about Brandon being hooked, I think he's got the bug now. So, just like I always say, not bad for a bonehead. Not bad for Brandon.
Hey.
Let's go, Brandon. I've been waiting all day to say that. Sorry. You guys see it? Look at that big chunky one right there. Look at these guys. They're getting so big. They are leaning over. What a toad. Look at that, dude. Perfectly fresh. Uh-oh. Look at this. Someone has been here and they picked some fatties. Look at the size of these stumps. Dang. Anytime you see lots of the needle duft and it's really fluffy under your feet, probably not going to be good because the morels can't, they come out of the dirt. But if you can see the dirt underneath your feet, it means you're in a good spot. Oh, here's one. I think, yeah. Nice little, oh, two of them. Bent down for this guy. And I see the big brother right here. Hello, Chunky. That's a fatty. Let's see what else we got. While we're here. Guys are growing in these little shrubs here. Oh, here's another one right here next to it. Look at that. Oh, yes. That is a fat dude. So what we've done, we've gone a little farther away from the car. We're in a new spot that we haven't hunted before. We're finding the shrooms. So we're hunting in these areas here where it's pretty dry, and where we're finding them is in this uneven ground that in the little bottoms of these moguls, if you will, it traps a little bit of moisture. That's when you're seeing the strawberries. That's when you see a little bit of moss and some of the trillium coming up. And the morels are popping up too. So if you're in an area that's dry, you're going to look for areas with some shade, areas with some moguls, and hopefully there's going to be just enough moisture, because even if it's dry to the touch, you go down a couple of inches, it's wet. So there's some good moisture in there. So day's getting better by the minute. Check it out. We got another one right here. Hello, friend. Not bad. Let's see where else we got some here. Oh, here's another one right here. Yes, sir. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Look at this chunky over here, sitting all by itself. What a beast. This looks like a pine cone, maybe. Look at the size of that guy. What a toad. Let's go back and get some of ours. Oh, I'll come back over there to make sure. Yeah, we got that one. This guy. I guess we got two here. Nice. And look, we got 1, 2. I saw another one. Anyway, this is pretty fantastic. We're finally in the mushrooms. We're finally gonna have enough for our dinner tonight. Giddy up. How's your bag looking? Let me see it. Oh boy, look at that. Dang. Not bad for a newbie. This one little damp area looks kind of cool to me. Oh, there it is. Look at it. See it? See it? That is a chunky. Look at that, huh? Not bad. So Brandon and I are wrapping it up for a day. Man, what an awesome time we had. Brandon did great. He came in as a beginner and he's leaving as a semi-pro like me. Awesome day. We've got full bags, lots of morels, some great time. If you guys liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please subscribe, and I look forward to joining you in the next adventure. Thank you.